welcome back to my channel. My name is Yetunde for those who don't know, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So I have this kit from VBT to show you guys. It comes in this cute little box, and inside we have nipple covers, boob tape, and breast tape kit. So it basically everything to get your ladies correct. So let's open the box. So this is what's inside the box. We have a manual. So a few details: it's latex free, it's hypoallergenic, it's also good for any bust size, so they got all the girls covered, and it's waterproof, breathable, and strongly adhesive, which is key because the whole point of the tape is to keep the ladies up. If you're not keeping them up, what are we doing? So in the kit, it comes with boob tape, nipple covers, petal and silicone, and also the double-sided tape for when you have your clothes that you just want to like keep it closed. So first we have the two boob tapes. I got two of them. So there's this color in the nude, and then there's the black one, and we have the double-sided tape. There's a few of them in there. And then last but not least, we have our nipple covers. Show you guys what it looks like. Here is one of them. Again, it's more in the nude, which is cool. And then this is the silicone one. Silicone always feels so weird to me. But this is what that looks like. And this should get the job done. Alright, so I decided to change my top because I feel like you guys needed to be able to see what's going on. I'm going to try out the boob tape first, as I said. So there's a few different ways you can wear these. These look a bit excessive, but we're gonna keep it simple today. I'm gonna do something sort of like this, just to lift it up a little, bit. This is what it looks like before the tape. So I think you guys can clearly see which side has the tape and which one doesn't. This is where the tape is. You can see it's a little bit more lifted, and there's actually like a silhouette here versus my natural standing point where it's a bit down here. And you know, we just want them both up here a little. So this is the side without it, and this is the side with it, and this is the side without it. So it's definitely working, and I love that it gives you so much coverage where your boobs aren't split in half, because that does happen sometimes. So I did one over and one from the side to scoop it up, so it's got a nice round shape to it. So it's very cute. This is the both of them with the tape on. It feels so good. Oh my god, it's like sitting so nicely. I got better with this side than I actually did on this side, so it takes a little bit of practice and just like working and playing around with it to finally figure out what positioning works best for you, because I feel like this side is definitely sitting way more perfect than this, but they're still sitting how they should, which I'm very, very happy about. And I'm not really a bra girly, so this helps a lot with, you know, those backless fits, or just when you're not in the mood for a bra. But I'm totally in love with this. It looks so good. And I love that it's not splitting my boobs in half. I feel like I always had that issue with other tapes, but the width on this, it's so good that it literally comes. So I have one going like this, and I have another one going like this to scoop it so it's rounded out, versus like, you know, having it split in half over there. But no, this is definitely giving, and the key to making it stay is you want to try to get it on the first go, because if you take it off and put it back, it won't stick, because I can feel it peeling over here, but I'm not having that problem over here because I didn't do that. But over here it's definitely like peeling off because I took it off and put it back on with the same tape. So I feel like the adhesive on it kind of like messed up, but you just want to do one nice go and one time only. But yeah, this is what it looks like before the tape. Next thing I do want to try is the double-sided tape, because that's something I've actually really always wanted, because I have certain pieces where I'm just like, I just need a little something, you know? So it comes double-sided. There's this, and then you peel off the other side. I think it's like one long tape, so that's fine. Okay, so I decided to just do it on one side, and this is staying. It's not going anywhere. Like, obviously you can peel it right off, but it's literally working so good. And I'm doing that with the boob tape I already have on, so I just put it right outside of it. And you can just do that because sometimes you have like blazers or a button-up shirt that you just want to leave open depending on what kind of vibe you're going for, but this will definitely get you right. And it's not moving anywhere. It's literally, I feel secure. I don't feel like it's gonna like pop off and I'll be worried with my, you know, ladies hanging out, but it's not going anywhere. So I took off the tape and put on the nipple covers. It feels good. I have on the silicone one, not the other one. So I don't know, I just like the feel of that one a lot more. Obviously, I think it depends on also what material you're wearing to decide which one you want to use. But it feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip off or anything. And you can't really see it through my clothes, which is great. And I also like this top because it kind of like pushes the girlies in, but I'm trying to leave it as loose as possible right now so you guys can get the full vibe. But yeah, this is it. Honestly, I'm so happy with everything that came in this box because they're going to come in handy, especially in the summer. And the fact that it's water resistant is even better because, you know, it's hot outside, your girl be sweating, and we don't want things falling off when they shouldn't be. So I'm very happy with everything that came in this kit, especially like this double-sided tape and the body tape. The boob cover, the nipple cover is cool, but the other two, excited. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like or you want to get one of these, I'm going to put the link below, as well as, you know, I'm going to try to get you guys a little coupon code so you can use as well. And you can just go in the description box below to get all the details. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.